Hi, in this video, we are going to compare Loveable.Dev and Bolt.Dev. Loveable.Dev and Bolt.Dev are two innovative platforms designed to facilitate AI-driven app development, particularly in no-code and low-code environments. Both tools offer unique features and capabilities that cater to developers looking for efficient ways to build applications. In this video, we are going to discuss their features, some drawbacks, the pricing, and which one is the best tool for you. Let's start with Bolt. Bolt is an innovative platform designed for developers to easily prompt, run, edit, and deploy full-stack web applications. With its user-friendly interface and powerful tools, Bolt streamlines the development process, enabling faster and more efficient project execution. Loveable, on the other hand, is an innovative platform designed to streamline the software development process, allowing users to create applications quickly and efficiently without needing extensive coding knowledge. Let's talk about their features. Let's start with Bolt. Intuitive user interface. Bolt boasts an intuitive user interface that simplifies the development process. This user-friendly design allows developers of all skill levels to navigate the platform effortlessly, reducing the learning curve and enabling quicker project initiation and execution. Seamless deployment. With Bolt, deploying web applications is a breeze. The platform automates deployment processes, ensuring that developers can launch their applications with just a few clicks. This efficiency saves time and reduces the risk of errors during deployment. Full-stack support. Bolt offers comprehensive full-stack support, allowing developers to work on both front-end and back-end components within a single platform. This integration fosters collaboration and streamlines workflows, enabling teams to build robust applications more efficiently and cohesively. Loveable, on the other hand, offers no-code software creation. With Loveable, building high-quality software is accessible to everyone. Users can describe their ideas in natural language, transforming them into fully functional applications without coding. This approach accelerates the development process, making it 20 times faster than traditional methods. Superhuman product engineer. Loveable acts as a full-stack product engineer, providing instant feedback and intuitive design features. Users benefit from live rendering and bug fixes, allowing for seamless collaboration and one-click deployment, ensuring that every product not only functions well but also looks great. Integration and backend support. The application supports various backend functionalities, including database connections and API integrations. Users can easily connect Loveable to their existing systems or utilize the Supabase connector, ensuring comprehensive support for any project requirement. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Let's start with Bolt. Limited customization. Bolt offers limited customization options, which can hinder developers working on complex projects. This restriction may lead to frustration for those needing extensive control over their code base, ultimately impacting the flexibility and creativity required for advanced applications. Performance issues. Users have reported performance issues with Bolt, including sluggish response times and long waits between actions. Such delays can disrupt workflow and test the patience of developers accustomed to more responsive development environments, potentially affecting productivity. Scaling limitations. Bolt struggles with scaling projects beyond the prototype stage. This limitation makes it less suitable for larger applications, as developers may find it challenging to maintain performance and functionality when expanding their projects, leading to potential roadblocks in development. Loveable, on the other hand, also has limited customization. While Loveable excels in no-code development, users may find limitations in customization options for complex applications. This could restrict advanced developers seeking tailored solutions beyond the platform's redefined functionalities. Dependency on platform. Relying on Loveable means users are dependent on the platform's stability and updates. Any downtime or changes in features could impact project timelines and overall functionality, potentially disrupting workflow. Pricing for advanced features. As teams scale and require more advanced capabilities, the costs may also increase significantly. This could be a concern for startups or small businesses with tight budgets, limiting their access to essential tools. When it comes to pricing, you can start using Bolt with a free account. This comes with a limited 2M tokens. When you decide to upgrade, the Pro plan comes in at $20 per month, and this is ideal for hobbyist and casual users for light, exploratory use. This comes with 10M tokens. Pro 50 plan comes in at $50 a month, and this is designed for professionals who need to use Bolt a few times per week, and this comes with 26M tokens. The Pro 100 comes in at $100 per month, and this is perfect for heavy users looking to enhance daily workflows, and this comes with 55M tokens. The Pro 200 comes in at $200 per month, and this is best for power users relying on Bolt as a core tool for continuous use, and this comes with 120M tokens. On the other hand, you can start using Loveable for free and upgrade to get the capacity that exactly matches your team's needs. The starter plan comes in at $20 a month, and this is perfect for hobby and occasional use. It includes everything in free, plus you can go beyond daily limits with a monthly limit, and it also comes with unlimited private projects. The launch plan comes in at $50 a month, and this is good for individual working on small projects. It comes with everything in start, plus a 2.5 times monthly limit. The scale plan comes in at $100 a month, and this is good for individual working on larger projects. It comes with everything in launch, plus larger message limits, early access to new features, and VIP events. The Enterprise plan comes with custom messaging limits, a dedicated product specialist, custom integration, dedicated support and account management, expert architecture and debugging support, and you can contact Loveable for the price of this plan. In conclusion, Loveable is better for seamless updates and backend integration, while Bolt excels in design aesthetics and user experience. Choose based on your project needs. Prioritize functionality with Loveable or visual appeal with Bolt. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.